This time on building terminology, the mansard roof. So the mansard roof is a roof built with two slopes on all four sides, the lower part rising steeply from the eaves, with the upper portion of a flatter slope rising to a central ridge. The ends can be hipped or they could be gabled, and a mansard roof with the upper slopes at less than 10 degrees may be assumed or called a flat-topped mansard. So mansard roofs maximise the space below and usually contain habitable rooms with dormer windows for lighting. It was named after a French architect, Franciscus Mansard, who lived from 1598 to 1666. And probably the most common ones we see is the typical American barn shape. That is what we call a mansard roof.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.